your first alert weather forecast with meteorologist Taylor Graham.
Welcome back, everyone. Time now is 6:18, and what a great way to end our Thursday. A gorgeous sunset sent to us out in Tupelo by Teresa Harrison. So a nice way to wrap up our Thursday, and hopefully you got outside and enjoyed the mild weather we had. We hit a high of 61 here in Columbus and 57 in Tupelo. Very warm to our south in Hattiesburg at 77, and 74 was the high in Jackson. 52 right now in Starkville, so we are quickly dropping in temperatures. A calm wind will help to keep the temperatures on the lower side tonight. Won't be as cool as what it was last night, but no doubt about it, it will be pretty cold this evening. We do have a few clouds starting to stream in from the northwest, so we might see a few more passing clouds tonight, but overall we should see clear skies. 50 in Iuka, dropped to 47 now in Tupelo, 48 in Oxford. Still pretty warm to the south of Highway 82, 55 here in Columbus, and 65 right now in Aliceville. We'll drop to the lower 30s tonight to about 33, so right around the freezing mark. It is going to be just a bit warmer than what it was last night. And again, a few clouds will be passing through. We'll warm up to about 40 tomorrow around 9 a.m., hitting a temperature of 49 by noon, and I think for tomorrow afternoon, we should have another beautiful day. Temperatures in the mid-50s, maybe even some locations could once again break 60 degrees. Cities up to the north will only stay in the lower 50s, but we should have plenty of sunshine for Friday, and for Friday evening, it looks like it will be pretty quiet as well. As we go into the weekend, though, we will have a cold front move through, dropping our temperatures drastically. I think highs on Saturday and for Valentine's Day will only stick around in the lower to mid 40s. But hey, at least we will stay dry for Saturday and for the majority of Sunday as well. We could maybe see a shower or two pop up Sunday evening, but the bulk of the rain will be moving in on Monday. And it looks like Monday will actually be kind of an all-day event. Maybe even a few rumbles of thunder on Monday as well. But once we get through Monday, it looks like the next part of the week will be absolutely beautiful. We're talking temperatures in the 50s and the 60s as we go into Wednesday. So just to recap, on Valentine's Day, it will be pretty chilly with a high of 46. A slight chance of rain on Sunday as well, but once we get into Monday, that's when the bulk of the rain will be moving in. On Tuesday, we will warm up very nicely into the upper 50s. On Wednesday, into the 60s, and it looks like we will stay dry Tuesday through Thursday. So overall, it looks like we'll have a pretty nice preview of spring. Joey?